beautiful people who have decided to be here with me today. Welcome back to my channel. I am your girl Kenyatta here, and today is a highly requested video, okay? My previous video, Lock Popping Fully Explained, is one of the most important videos I've ever made as it pertains to the health of locks, okay? If you are watching this video and you have locks, you are here for a reason. This is information you want to have, okay? So head over to my video. I'll leave it at the top of the screen, Lock Popping Fully Explained, okay? If you have length goals, yes, if you have length goals and you would like to reach those length goals, Lock Popping Fully Explained is a video you must go and watch. Information you must have, because if you don't know, then you just don't know. In just a moment, I'm going to be showing you guys a perfectly healthy lock, okay? I'm going to give you guys a visual example of what a healthy lock should look like. I'm going to be using my son in this example because I started my son's locks 5 years ago, and I am the only person to have ever done his hair, okay? I felt that he was the perfect person to use for this particular visual example because he has all of his original hair strands in his locks from the root all the way to the tip, okay? So here is what a perfectly healthy lock should look like. So I brought you guys in really close. If you look here, you can see that my son has all of his original hair strands in his lock. So that's what I mean when I say each individual lock has individual hair strands, okay? Assigned to that lock. It would be a crime for me to take this lock, and as you can see, his original part, all right, to take a comb and literally part his hair like this and pop his hair strand out just to get a crispy part. You guys see how easy it is? See, his hair is already separated because I've never ever popped his locks, and all of his hair strands are in the lock where it's supposed to be. Very strong lock from the beginning, from the root all the way to the tip. After watching that video, I hope you guys have a pretty good understanding of what a healthy lock should be and what it should look like, okay? In the next video clip here, I'm going to be using one of my beautiful clients, Miss Connie. Shout out to Miss Connie. Hey, girl. Hey. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a retwist without popping your locks, okay? Yes, I will be using a comb, okay? And without further ado, Alright, so we're getting into the retwist. I want to mention here that my client has random parting, and the method and technique for doing a retwist without popping your lock remains the same. It doesn't matter if you have square, diamond, or triangular parting. The technique is the same. What I'm going to do here is comb the hair strands in the direction of the lock in which it belongs. I'll continue to comb the hair strands in the direction of the lock in which it belongs on all sides of the lock until all the hair strands are completely separated, okay? I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of gel here, and I'm going to go ahead and do the twist and locksmith to polish up that lock and eliminate frizz. Again, I said to you guys before, locksmithing does not strengthen the lock. It simply eliminates frizz. As you can see here, my client has all their original hair strands in the lock, okay? I'm going to get into the twist, and I'm going to go ahead and locksmith to polish up that lock and eliminate the frizz. In the next lock here, you'll see, and this happens sometimes, as you guys can see here, see that hair strand there? See it? It's just there. Alright, so that hair strand tried to marry into the lock above it, okay? So I simply separated that hair strand, okay? And I'll use the technique, the method remains the same, combing those hair strands in the direction of the lock in which it belongs. Doing this on all sides of the lock. A little bit of gel into the retwist, then locksmithing to polish up that lock. Talk the entire time that I do this retwist because it's very repetitive. I want you guys to really watch me do my client's retwist without popping her locks, okay? The technique remains the same, okay? Gently comb those hair strands in the direction of the lock in which it belongs, and you will see me do this over and over throughout this retwist. So really take it in and pay close attention to what I'm doing.
Original bad man, you don't know.
It's VQs.
Standard. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, no. Baby, I can smoke it all. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Girls, them a random. Me I fit to turn them down anywhere we go. See them be hating now. She carry you. Her body amazing, oh. My baby, oh. I go love you forever, oh. Girl, for your body, I'ma risk it. I'ma risk it. Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit. Like a biscuit. Oh yeah, dark, she jeje. No, they do me, she get. You wanna come move fair. Now you I want to. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, no. Baby, I can smoke it all. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh.
So nobody better than you. I know. I said nobody proper than you. I know. One boy and need your money, yo. Need your money, yo. Them they feel you from London to SA. We can do it my way. Baby, make you ginger me. I wanna feel ya. Anything you do, make I feel ya. If I never do, I'ma go talk up.
In this portion of the retwist, I'm going to be talking about when hair strands marry, okay? Here I have two locks that was trying to marry each other, as you can see. I'll show you guys. I'm going to come in a little bit closer for you guys. And here you'll see the hair strands. See where the bud begins? Those hair strands, was trying to marry one another. So I gently pull them apart. Because, no, y'all single for life. And I'm going to gently comb those hair strands in the direction of the lock in which it belongs. And as you can see, it is now gently separated without crossing over any of those hair strands. Okay? Now that they are separated, we're going to go ahead and get into the retwist.
Lego.
Original man. When they say it's about nothing, man, I tell them it's my life. Man, I chillin' in the studio, man, I vibing, it's my life.
to play. Then they use me to play. Man, I vibing all day. Man, I use me to play. Spitting for me bars, me I never back down. 1, 2, 3, me up on the countdown, man down. If you test me, man down. Original bad man, me I run town. Them try to downgrade, bad man fi upgrade. Then try to evade, bad man fi evade. They can't believe it, they love how I spit it. They know I'm gon' kill it, and they know I'm gon' kill it. When they say it's about nothing, man, I tell them it's my life. Man, I tell them in the studio, man, I vibe in it's my life. And to play. Then they use me to play. Man, I vibing all day. Man, I use me to play. Counting up these stocks, just trying to make a million. Spitting these bars from deep down within. You already know it's a killing when I'm spitting. If you're a hater, you can see me when you see me. Hold on, me not telling me they hold on. Calm down, me they telling me they calm down. Man down, is a man down. Bad man, them a see me round. When they say it's about nothing, man, I tell them it's my life. Man, I tell them in the studio, man, I vibe in it's my life. And to play, then they use me to play. Man, I vibing all day. Man, I use me to play. Original, 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 original Batman, oh, hey, oh, VQ's on the vibe, on the vibe. No, 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 no. Original. Yeah. The Batman, mash up the place. The Batman, mash up the place. Original Batman. The Batman, mash up the place. The Batman, mash up the place. Just say no, 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 no. The Batman, mash up the place. The Batman, mash up the place. Just say yeah, the Batman, mash up the place. The Batman, mash up the place. Original Batman. The Batman, mash up the place. The Batman, mash up the place. Body nice. See I got them girls, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Man, I tell her when she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm all low. Man, I tell her when she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. Count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go down anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me a put you on a first class. No, 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 no. The Batman, mash up the place. The Batman, mash up the place. Just say yeah, the Batman, mash up the place. 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 So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you really your number one I control. So you really, really meant for the girls when they come through. Come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to be the one. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, them a coming at me yard, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them a girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got. No, 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 no. The Batman, mash up the place. The Batman, mash up the place. Just say yeah, the Batman, mash up the place. 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 Batman, turn up the vibe. Batman, turn up the vibe. Original Batman, turn up the vibe.
I hope now that you guys have a better understanding of how to do a retwist without popping your locks, okay? As well as a better understanding of what perfectly healthy locks should be and look like, okay? Remember, the goal is to have healthy locks, okay? Grow them long and keep them strong, all right? I also want to mention here, if you would like for me to show you how to do a retwist without popping your locks on a different grid, also leave that down below. I believe square grid is the most popular grid right now. I also want to interject that the methods and the techniques remain the same, okay? We're combing gently those hair strands in the direction of the lock that it belongs, okay? We're not popping hair strands. That is an ultimate know, okay? Don't say I ain't told y'all, okay? It is your girl Kenyatta here. Share this video wherever you share cool stuff, your Instagram, your Facebook, your Twitter, okay? Hit the like button, okay? Don't forget to subscribe. Turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video from your girl, okay? Today is Wednesday, so the next upload will be Sunday, all right? Every Sunday at 2 and every Wednesday at 4. Y'all know what time